Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in this episode we're going to be doing some engraving, we're going to be doing some shading, and we're going to be doing some painting. So we're going to take this regular piece of aluminium and we're going to turn it into something pretty cool. So let's get straight into it. Before we jump into the meat of the project and show you all the tasty time lapses, what you're going to need for this project is a Dremel, which is a given, what we do here on the channel. You're going to need a 105, 106 and the 107 ballpoint burr. The 105 we used for a lot of the detail, the 106 was used for all the outlining work, and the 107 is to use and get rid of a lot of the background material ready for paint. And the paint we use is a one-shot pinstriping paint. I used red, white and a reflex blue. Amazing paints. So if you can get your hands on some one-shot paints, do so. I encourage you. Definitely a really nice art form to get into. It's super therapeutic, and the two art forms really complement each other. It's part of all the custom industry, as you can imagine, and they really work well together, and obviously in the right setting. So and then obviously you'll need your aluminium and then an image that you want to trace onto your aluminium and go from there. So this one was particularly made for my wife. She's a huge fan of Harlequin, so I've been wanting to do this for a long time. But to not only engrave it, I wanted to really throw some extra elements in there, such as a different shading technique that we're not really used to here on the channel. It's more of a stippling technique, but it really gives a new dimension to the shading and the imagery, and it really brings the image from a 2D almost to a 3D perspective and brings it to life. And along with the paint, really accentuate those colors. And Harlequin, she's known for her, obviously, her color and her being absolutely crazy. So yeah, it was a great way of marrying all the different art forms and colors and everything together. So hope you guys enjoy it. Enjoy the time lapses, and I'll see you at the end of the video. And there you have it, all done. Very simple project to put together, super fun, especially the two art forms, how they marry up, and they look really well when it's all done. And it was a really fun project to put together, so I really enjoyed it. Something that my wife can be super proud of. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, please hit me down below. I'm super active on Instagram, so a lot of the engraving stuff is on Instagram. You can have a look at all the portfolio of stuff we've done over the past few years. So yeah, and if you like the video, please hit that thumbs up. It really helps us grow, and if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.